Why do we keep falling for the same traps? We've exposed the chaos merchants. We've uncovered how media manipulates us, how algorithms exploit us, how technology programs our emotions. But here's the harder truth. They succeed not just because of what they do out there, but because of what we haven't done in here.
They only win because we leave the door unlocked inside our own minds.
Think about it. Outrage grabs you because you crave validation. Fear grips you because you haven't trained calm. Division hooks you because your ego wants a tribe more than it wants truth. These aren't flaws planted by the system. These are weaknesses inside all of us. And until we face them, no amount of exposing external manipulation will set us free. Marcus Aurelius warned himself daily, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." He didn't write this for others. He wrote it because he knew how easily even an emperor could lose sovereignty by surrendering to emotion. We are no different. Here's the paradox. The war for your freedom doesn't begin in the streets, the newsrooms, or the feeds. It begins in the silence between your ears. Recognizing that your untrained mind is fertile soil for manipulation. Anger unchecked, they harvest it. Fear unexamined, they weaponize it. Desire undisciplined, they monetize it. And until you see this, truly see it, you'll keep being played. Awareness is not passive. Awareness is armor. Awareness is noticing when your chest tightens at a headline and asking, "Why do I feel this? Who benefits from me feeling this?" Awareness is catching yourself before you post in rage, before you spiral into fear, before you let an algorithm dictate your morning mood. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." That's the blueprint. Freedom doesn't start with overthrowing systems. It starts with overthrowing your impulses.
So ask yourself right now, are you free? Or do you simply feel free while your emotions are rented out to the highest bidder?
How do we build this shield of awareness? Not through theory, but through daily practice. When you feel triggered, pause 3 seconds. Awareness cracks the programming. Write what angers you, what fears you, what tempts you. Seeing it on paper weakens its hold. Unfollow chaos merchants. Follow clarity builders. Program your inputs or they will program you. Surround yourself, online and offline, with those who value calm over conflict, truth over tribe.
You cannot stop the storm, but you can build the shield.
Society has sold us the lie that calm is weakness, that if you're not outraged, you're not awake. But the opposite is true. Outrage is predictable. Outrage is profitable. Calm is what makes you ungovernable. Calm is what makes you sovereign. Seneca wrote, "He who angers you conquers you." Today, that line is our rallying cry. He who manipulates your outrage owns your life. But if you choose calm, no one owns you. Freedom starts inside. Not in revolutions, not in elections, not in algorithms, inside. Because when you become aware of your own triggers, they lose their grip. When you master your responses, manipulation collapses. When you build your shield, chaos merchants starve.
Imagine millions of people choosing this. Millions building shields of awareness. Millions refusing to fuel the outrage machine. That's not weakness. That's revolution.
So yes, technology programs emotions. Yes, algorithms exploit outrage. Yes, chaos merchants profit from division. But the truth is this: they cannot win without your cooperation. And cooperation only comes when you surrender awareness. So reclaim it, build the shield, train your mind daily. Because freedom does not start out there. It starts in here, in the pause before anger, in the breath before fear, in the choice to be calm when the world screams for rage.
Power divides, awareness unites, freedom starts inside.
Subscribe, share, and hit that notification for the next episode. Thanks for being here with the Stoic Quotient, where ancient strength meets modern life.